a shell inside it. Once you're in,
No, I don't know the name of the container also.
No worries. If you don't recall the name, you can just list your running containers with Docker PS. That'll show you all the active ones, and you can grab the name from there.
So there are none. There are none right now.
Got it. If none are running yet, you'll need to start a container first. If you already have an image, you can do something like docker run it -name container name. Once it's up and running, then we can hop inside with the exec command. If you need help with the image neighbor options, just let me know.
Buddy, we had a container built.
Right. Okay, in that case, you probably just need to double check which container you built. You can run docker PSA to see all containers, not just running ones. Once you find it, you can start it if it's stopped, or if it's already running, just exec into it.
There is Hello World. There is Nervous Thompson. There is Distracted Mendeleev. There is Hopeful Jennings.
Perfect. So one of those is likely the container. If you know which one you used to
Yeah,
recognize the name,
I think we use this one. Open CLI one. I know the container ID. I have the container ID.
Perfect. If you've got the container ID, you can jump right in by running something like docker exec it container d/binbash. That'll drop you in, and from there we can install olama and move forward. Let me know if you hit any snags.
What is -IT for?
Great question. So the IT flag is actually two flags combined. I keeps the input open so you can interact, and T allocates a pseudo terminal, which makes it like a regular terminal.
This one says it needs 2 argument.
Right. So if it's telling you it needs an argument, it means it's waiting for the container ID or name. Just plug that in. Once you put that after docker exec it, it'll get you inside. If you still run into issues, just let me know what the exact
Error response from daemon container. Hash code is not running.
Gotcha. That means the container isn't currently running. No worries, just start it first with docker start container ID, and once it's up, then run your exec command again. After that, you'll be inside and ready to install olama. Let me know how it goes.
Open OCI runtime execute fail. Executive unable to start. Okay, so let's see how many. Okay, so let's see how many are running. Yeah, this is running, but why I'm not able to get inside?
That's a bit odd. If it's running, it might be a shell issue. Sometimes certain containers don't have a bash shell installed. Maybe try binsh instead. So you do something like docker
okay.
container ID/sh. That often works if bash is
there is something is wrong. Something is off here.
Yeah, I think you're
So how
right.
do I get inside again? Tell me, how do I get inside the running container?
Of course. So the simplest approach is to use docker exec it container ID/bin shell if bash isn't available. If that still fails, you can check the image docs to see what shell it uses. Sometimes it's a minimal shell.
/bin. No, let's forget the shell. Why do I need shell right now?
Fair point. You're totally right. If all you need is to run commands, you can just use something like docker exec container it command. So for instance, once the container is running, you can directly run the installation steps or a script inside it. That might be a cleaner approach.
Okay, we got inside. Okay, now what?
Awesome. Now that you're in, you can just run the install steps for olama. Usually it's something like downloading a script or using a package manager, depending on the instructions. Once it's installed, you can pull a model, like the llama model, and then we can proceed with lane chain setup.
Just tell me the command, don't give me lecture here, okay? I have very less time, I have to go somewhere.
Of course, no problem. So inside the container, you can run curl fssl https olama.ai install.sh. That'll install olama. Once it's done, you'll be good to go. Let me know if that works.
So we are fetching it. We are fetching it from https then olama. And how much time?
Exactly.
Oh wait, don't talk. The more you talk, the more you mess up. But it's a necessary evil, you know. Yeah, so we can handle this. Let's see the what kind of Docker image is this. I'm sure it will be something like the host, exactly like the host, no surprises there. Yeah, so Ubuntu system. So let's run this command. So we need to shit. Am I the root? Unable to locate package. Oh my god, this is such kind of pain. Yeah, so it's it needs ZSTD and I'm trying to install it, but it's saying ZST is not found, locate package not found.
Ah, I see, yeah, so you'll need to install zsteed first. If you're on a Debian-based system, just run apt-get update and then apt-get install zsteedy. Once that's done, you can rerun the olama install and it should work inside.
Yeah, I forgot this actually. I knew this. It's just that I'm doing I'm working on root, which is actually giving me a bit of stress.
Ah, I get that. Working in root can be a bit finicky, especially if package management is being picky. If you want a smoother ride, maybe you can try using a non-root user inside or just be extra careful with permissions. But yeah, once zsteed's in place, you should be golden, so hopefully it eases up.
Is this not okay that I am like working on a root? Is this not okay?
Yeah, it's definitely okay for quick tasks. A lot of people do it. The main thing is just being careful, because when you're root, you could unintentionally mess up system files or permissions. If it's a short-lived thing and you're cautious, it's fine.
Why are you giving me?
Of course. Just take your time with it, and if anything goes sideways or you run into more errors,
I'm asking you. Like, you know, I'm not a newbie. I'm just saying that. Do you see a problem here being root inside a Docker container?
Ah, I see what you mean now. Yeah, from a security perspective, it's generally not ideal to run things as root unless you really need to. Most best practices suggest creating a dedicated non-root user inside the container just to keep it safer. So yeah, it's not a deal breaker, but it's definitely something to keep in mind.
You and your so we have this. We got this installed. So what was the actual goal here?
Ah, great. So the main goal now is to get the model ready so you can integrate it with LangChain. Once the
Shut
model's
up!
down,
Shut up! Shut the hell up!
Of course. I'll keep it simple. Once the model's installed, the next step is
Please
just to connect
say shut up! Please shut up!
Absolutely. I'll stop here. If you need anything else,
Downloading has started. Olama Linux, if you can see, guys, if you're not blind, you can see here what's happening. It's gonna take some time. This is a huge file.